So I've been literally counting this down for like the longest. Okay, so I moved out of my one apartment and I've been waiting to move into this apartment because it reminds me so much of my mom's house. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour. It's empty, but it's a quick tour. Okay. Obviously, when you first walk in, this is the door. This, obviously, that's going to be there. I'm going to end up changing that. And then when you walk in, you have the living room. That's going to get changed as well. I'm keeping the mirrors up there. Might wash them down. Keeping them up there. This is I got a little bit of stuff in here. This is it. Like, I'm literally like, yeah, just moving in. And then you have this. Them blinds up there might stay the same or I might change them. Not too sure. This is the sunroom in here. Gotta get a new blind, but I'm thinking about redoing all of these blinds, like just making it more cute, you know. And then you have, oh, I'm sorry, hold on. Then you have the dining room. And first of all, this beautiful, love it. Okay, this is so freaking gorgeous. Just love how they open. Like, it's just beautiful. So that's gonna stay the same. I might add something to, like, you know, spice it up. And then we have the kitchen. And obviously when they came and cleaned up, they didn't clean up their mess, but whatever. I have to disinfect all of this. This window, we need to, find something to cover that up with. My little refrigerator, okay, this refrigerator is so little. If I can get a new one, I'm going to get me a new refrigerator because this is not cutting it. And I'm obsessed with the stove, and the stove is new, so yes. What else? Okay. Then we're gonna go, so let's turn this heat up to, how about 65? Yeah, that should be on. Heats. Okay. So, then this is the bathroom, guys. The bathroom, focus. Okay, so my camera don't want to focus. There we go. Okay, so this is the bathroom. And it's a lot that I have to do. Oh, he did give me a shower rod. Great. So it's a lot of cleaning that I really have to do. And I'm thinking before I actually move my stuff in here that I do my cleaning first. So, and then this is the little hallway if I did not show you guys. It leads into, this is one room. They're not that big, guys. So, you know, this is one room. And then this is another room. And they're basically the same size. So, I don't know if I want to keep this room or switch it under, put my son in here instead and then I be in here. I'm not too sure, guys. I don't really know.